Dubai, a shimmering oasis in the Arabian desert, is a city that truly has it all. From its golden sands to its towering skyscrapers, Dubai is a place where tradition meets innovation in the most spectacular ways. Towering skyscrapers pierce the clouds, with the Burj Khalifa standing as the tallest of them all, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. While ancient souks buzz with the energy of centuries-old trade, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds and scents that transport you back in time. It's a place where the impossible becomes possible and where extravagance knows no bounds. From luxurious hotels to extravagant landmarks, Dubai is a playground for those seeking the finer things in life. But beneath the glitz and glamour lies a city of contrasts, where budget-conscious travelers can find just as much magic and wonder. Affordable street food, free public beaches, and budget-friendly attractions make Dubai accessible to everyone. So, can you really enjoy Dubai on any budget? The answer is a resounding yes. The city offers a plethora of experiences that cater to all financial backgrounds. Whether you're dreaming of a luxurious escape or a wallet-friendly adventure, Dubai offers a diverse tapestry of experiences to suit every taste and budget. From high-end resorts to affordable attractions, there's something for everyone. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the city's unique blend of modern marvels and traditional charm. Dubai is a city that promises unforgettable memories, no matter how much you choose to spend. For those seeking the ultimate in opulence, Dubai is a playground of indulgence. This city is a marvel of modern architecture and luxury, offering experiences that are second to none. Imagine waking up to breathtaking views of the Arabian Gulf from your suite at the iconic Burj Al Arab, where every detail is designed to pamper you. Its sail-shaped silhouette is not just a hotel, but a symbol of Dubai's ambition and grandeur. The city is home to a constellation of five-star hotels, each more lavish than the last, offering a unique blend of comfort and extravagance. These hotels offer unparalleled service and amenities, from infinity pools to world-class spas, ensuring your stay is nothing short of perfect. Indulge in a world-class shopping spree at the Dubai Mall, home to designer boutiques and high-end department stores, where you can find the latest in fashion and luxury. Dine like royalty at Michelin-starred restaurants where culinary masters create edible works of art that tantalize your taste buds. And for the ultimate in freedom and style, rent a luxury car and cruise along Dubai's pristine highways, experiencing the city from a whole new perspective. But Dubai's magic isn't just reserved for the wealthy. Budget-conscious travelers will find a wealth of affordable options that are just as enjoyable. From exploring the bustling streets to savoring local delicacies, there's something for everyone. Comfortable and clean 3 to 4-star hotels provide a cozy home base without breaking the bank. These accommodations offer excellent amenities and are often located near major attractions. And for an even more local experience, consider staying in a serviced apartment, offering the comforts of home with added convenience. These apartments often come with kitchen facilities, allowing you to save even more by preparing your own meals. Dubai's public transportation system is efficient and affordable, making it easy to navigate the city without a car. The metro, buses and trams connect you to all the major sites and hidden gems. Explore the city's historical Al Fahidi district or immerse yourself in the sensory overload of the Dubai Spice Souk and the Gold Souk. These vibrant markets offer a glimpse into the rich culture and history of Dubai. And don't miss out on free attractions like Jumeirah Beach, where you can soak up the sun and enjoy the turquoise waters of the Arabian Gulf. It's the perfect spot to relax and unwind without spending a dime. Section 4. Finding your balance. Mixing luxury and affordability. The beauty of Dubai lies in its ability to cater to every type of traveler. You can easily blend luxury experiences with budget-friendly options to create a well-rounded and unforgettable trip. Splurge on a once-in-a-lifetime experience, such as a desert safari with dinner under the stars, but balance it out with affordable meals at local eateries. Consider visiting during the off-season for lower hotel rates and flight prices. Take advantage of free activities like strolling along the Dubai Marina or watching the Dubai Fountain Show, a mesmerizing spectacle of water, light and music. Section 5. Beyond the glitter, Dubai's cultural gems. While Dubai is renowned for its modern marvels, it's also important to delve into the city's rich cultural heritage. Visit the Sheikh Mohammed Center for Cultural Understanding to gain insights into Emirati customs and traditions. Explore the Jumeirah Mosque, a stunning example of Islamic architecture. Take a traditional Abra ride across Dubai Creek, offering a glimpse into the city's past as a bustling trading port. And be sure to sample the local cuisine, a fusion of flavors influenced by its location at the crossroads of trade routes. Section 6. Dubai awaits your unforgettable journey. Dubai is a city that defies expectations, offering a captivating blend of luxury, adventure and cultural immersion. Whether you're on a shoestring budget or traveling in style, Dubai has something to offer everyone. So, pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and create your own unforgettable Dubai story. What kind of traveler are you? Share your dream Dubai itinerary, and let's inspire each other to explore this incredible city. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more travel inspiration.